Welcome back. In the last video, we registered our device's fingerprint into the cloud. Intune now knows this device exists, but it has no idea what to do with it. If we turned on that VM right now, it would just look like a normal Windows setup. To fix this, we need to create an Autopilot Deployment Profile. This is the blueprint that tells the computer skip the privacy screens, hide the license agreement, and make this user a standard user, not an administrator.
But before we create the profile, we need a way to target our device. We uploaded the hardware hash, but we didn't put it in a group. We're going to create a special dynamic device group that automatically catches every Autopilot device we ever upload. Go to Groups, click All Groups, and New Group. Name it All Autopilot Devices. Change the membership type to Dynamic Device. We are going to write a query that looks for a special tag called ZTDId, Zero Touch Deployment ID, which basically means, is this an Autopilot machine? Click Add Dynamic Query. The rule builder is tricky, so click Edit and paste the rule I put in the video description. The rule is device.device_any/underscore/contains/ZTDId. Click OK. You will see some scary yellow warning banners appear. One says membership changes take time, and another talks about member of preview. Ignore them. These are just standard notifications, not errors. As long as your rule syntax looks like mine, just click Save and then Create. Now we have our group. Let's build the blueprint. Go to Devices, Windows, then Windows Enrollment. Click Deployment Profiles, select Create Profile, then Windows PC. Name this Standard User Profile. Here is the meat of the exam. Deployment mode, pick User Driven. This means the user signs in with their email to start the process. Join to Microsoft Entra ID as select Microsoft Entra Joined. This is the new name for Azure AD Joined. We want our devices to be cloud native. Now for the user experience. License terms, hide. We don't want users wasting time reading legal text. Privacy settings, hide. We accept the defaults for them. User account type, change this to standard. This is a huge security best practice. By default, the first user is an admin. Autopilot lets us fix that automatically. Leave the language settings as default. Click Next to Assignments. This is where we use the group we created in Step 1. Click Add Groups and select All Autopilot Devices. This ensures that any computer we register gets this specific blueprint. Click Next and Create. The profile is created, but is it applied? Go back to the Devices list under Windows Enrollment. Look at the column Profile Status. Right now, it probably says Unassigned or Assigning. This is the Intune wait game again. It can take 10 to 15 minutes for the group to calculate and the profile to apply. Once this status flips to Assigned, our pizza is ready for delivery. Do not turn on the VM until you see this word. If you turn it on too early, you get the standard Windows setup, not the Autopilot experience. We have the device registered, we have the profile assigned, the trap is set. In the next video, the moment of truth, we are going to turn on our virtual machine and watch Windows Autopilot take over.
I'll show you exactly what the user sees and how to troubleshoot if it fails. See you there.